Meaning of freedom fighter.
Freedom fighter.
Freedom fighter.
Freedom fighter.
Freedom fighter. A freedom fighter is a person who fights against oppressive regimes, governments, or forces to establish political, social, and economic freedoms. They are usually members of an organized resistance movement or armed group, and they use various methods to achieve their goals, including guerrilla warfare, terrorism, civil disobedience, and demonstrations. Freedom fighters often risk their lives for their cause and are considered heroes by many for their selfless dedication to the fight for freedom. However, some may view them as terrorists or criminals depending on their tactics and objectives.